In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Symphonium app on Android. This will be a straightforward process to get this fantastic music player on your device. Symphonium is a versatile app that allows you to enjoy your music seamlessly. With its range of features, it's perfect for anyone who loves music. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You will see a colorful icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tapping on it will lead you to a world of apps. The Play Store is where you can find and download thousands of applications tailored for your Android. It is important to ensure that you have a stable internet connection while you do this. This allows for a smooth browsing experience. Once the Play Store is open, you will see various categories and recommendations. Next, in the search bar at the top, type in Symphonium, tokens, name, music player, and cast. Make sure you spell it correctly to find the right app. As you type, suggestions may appear below. This feature helps you quickly locate popular apps. Once you see Symphonium, tokens, name, music player, and cast in the list, select it. This step is crucial because you want to ensure you download the official version of the app to avoid any issues later. After selecting the app, look for the Install button. Tap the app published by Tolrik Genemi. This is important as it confirms you are choosing the correct developer. The design and details of the app page will help you recognize it. You will see user reviews and ratings, which can be reassuring as you make your choice. Taking a moment to review this information can help you feel confident in your download. Now tap the Install button. This action will initiate the download process. You'll see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. Depending on your internet connection, this might take a few moments. It is essential to allow the app to complete the installation fully. Interrupting it could lead to an incomplete installation. Once the installation is complete, you will see an option to open the app. Tap on it to launch Symphonium for the first time. You might be greeted by a welcome screen that introduces the app's features. This is an exciting moment as you prepare to enjoy your music in a new way. Opening the app right away helps you familiarize yourself with it and check if everythin is working as expected. Follow the on-screen setup to add your music sources. You can choose from various options like local storage, Plex, Jellyfin, MB, and Navidrome. This flexibility allows you to access music from different platforms and storage solutions. Connecting to multiple sources is beneficial because it centralizes your music collection in one place, making it easier to manage. Also, you can connect to Subsonic-compatible servers and several cloud storage providers like Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox. This variety ensures that you can integrate your music from wherever you store it. Each source offers unique benefits, enabling a richer music listening experience. With that ready, you are now all set to explore the features of the Symphonium app. Enjoy your music like never before, with easy access to your favorite tracks. Remember, trying out the app during its free trial period allows you to decide if it meets your needs. This ensures you make an informed purchase decision later on. Happy listening!